In the heart of our daily lives, environmental stresses are omnipresent, silently orchestrating profound impact on our very selves. Amidst this symphony of life, receptor modifiers, the subtle maestros within our cells, awaken. They prepare to bind with incoming hormonal messages sent out as responses to these external stimuli. As if in a delicate dance, hormones, those ephemeral messengers of the body, find their partners in receptors embedded within the cells. This union is crucial in the conversation between our bodies and the environment. The harmonious interaction prompts our DNA in the cell nucleus to commence a majestic production. Proteins, the artisans of life processes, are crafted, each carrying a unique instruction for the cell. Each expression shapes our genetic potential, carving unique pathways of expression. Our life's tapestry, woven with experiences, determines the melodies our genes play. In the insightful realms of sociology and medicine, Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn's pioneering work on telomeres, those tiny guardians of our chromosomes, reveals the profound impact of life events on our genetic fabric. Our societal conditioning, such as poverty and social injustice, don't just touch us superficially. They delve deep, sculpting our genetic and molecular existence, reflecting the scars and smiles of our shared human experiences. The grand narrative of the Human Genome Project, once heralded as the key to unlocking all health mysteries, is now seen in a new light. It's a realization that our health is a construct of not just genetics, which in fact plays an extremely small role, but the interplay of our environment, experiences, and physiological responses. The study of epigenetics, meaning on top of genetics, tells an insightful story. Trauma, meaning that which happens inside of us as a response to external events, doesn't rewrite our genetic code, but alters the script of its expression. Our genes, considered unchangeable, are, in fact, responsive to experiences. It's not our genes that change, but our gene response. Understanding how our environment interacts with and actively shapes our health opens a new chapter in our quest for well-being. It beckons us to heal our conditioned responses and embrace the dynamic interplay of our experiential and physiological selves. To finish this musical analogy of symphonic interplay, we are both the dancers and the choreographers, constantly shaping our perception of and being shaped by the world around us. It's a never-ending conversation between ourselves and our environment, a story eternally written in the code of life. So if our physical health is directly affected by our response to our environment, and our experiences shape our perception of our environment, see Dr. Stephen Porges' work on polyvagal theory, then our developmental experiences, beliefs, traumas, and perceptions directly affect our physical health through variations in gene expression. So if you're still wondering if therapy is as important as physical exercise, a healthy diet, or anything else, science now has the answers. Book a free call with me through the link in my bio to connect, and consider joining our neurocognitive communion group for weekly group therapy sessions.